Hey guys, it's NEESYRAYCHELLE and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today is a get ready with me back to school edition. So go ahead and subscribe now so that you can stay up to date with everything that I post, and stay tuned for the video. What's up guys, it's NEESYRAYCHELLE and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a back to school get ready a back to school get ready with me. And this is going to be a college edition because I think the high schoolers are back in school already, in my state at least, I think. But yeah, it's gonna be a back to school get ready with me. So I'm going to show you some quick back to school makeup, along with a simple back to school outfit, something I would wear back to school. Because listen, I look back at the things I wore to school and I don't understand why I put those things on. So this is more of what you should be wearing back to school. So yeah, just stay tuned and we'll get right into it. So I just did my brows with my Morphe micro brow pencil. This is the color Java, and I always forget that, but that is the color I use, the color Java. And now I'm going to clean my brows up with my Fenty Pro filter. Okay, so I just finished my brows. I am going to now go in with my Fenty Pro filter concealer and clean them up. Now that my brows are done, I'm going to go in with my foundation. I do use the Pro Filter by Fenty Beauty, the Soft Matte Long Wear in the color 430. I always forget my color. Now I'm going to go back in with my Pro Filter concealer and conceal under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. I stopped doing my chin and my forehead because now I'm taking my Morphe Banana Rich setting powder to set up under my eyes, and everywhere else I just put the concealer. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Glamour bronzer in the color Leader to do a powder contour on my cheeks, my forehead, and then I take a different brush and do my nose. Now that I'm all contoured and bronzed up, I am going to take a little of my setting powder and just come up under where I bronze. Just to give it some definition in my face. And we let that sit for a bit. I'm gonna come in with my buffing brush and just get all of my powder off and smooth out some of my contour. Now I'm going to go in with my blush, and I am using the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1. I'm going to just use the color Toby today because it's one of the more neutral colors. And then I also take a little bit of that and put it across my nose. Now I'm going to go in with the Royalty 1 Loose Highlighting Powder by Juvia's Place as well. And I'm going to highlight my face. Just to add a little extra to this look, I am going to do my dots on my eyes. And that just gives you a little something to the eyelid because we are not doing eyeshadow. So now I'm going to take my mascara. This is the Lancome Lash Idol Mascara. It's gonna be tonight. All you gotta do is say yes. All you gotta do is say yes. Okay, so if you're not a lash girl, this is where you would end your look. You would not continue on to do anything else. I am a lash girl, so I am going to go ahead and put my lashes on. These lashes that I have are by Lily Lash. Which ones they are, your girl could not possibly tell you. So we're just gonna put these on and wear them like this. So I'm putting my glue on. And while I let those dry, I'm going to pick a lip out to wear. We are currently still in a pandemic, so ladies, you might be having to wear your mask. So for my lip, I am going to do a matte lipstick that won't transfer, okay? Alright, so like I said, for my lip, I want to do something matte. So I'm going to go in with my Quirk pencil and Vanity by Morphe. Now I'm going to set my face with the Morphe Times Jeffree Star Set and Refreshment. Y'all know this is not normally what I use. I usually use the continuous mattifying spray, but because this is what I still have left, I'm going to finish it up before I buy me another one. So okay, now that I've misted my face, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. Alright, and so this is the final facial look. I'm going to go change my clothes and give you all a full body get ready with me of how I would go back to school. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe this video so you can keep in touch with me. Follow me on all my social media pages, and I will definitely see you all in the next one.